Shandong Hongda Construction Machinery Group Company Limited is in the beautiful city of Laiyang in China's Shandong province. It is one of the largest industrial enterprise groups of China and one of the key enterprises in China's construction machinery industry. Hongda Group is a professional manufacturer of construction machinery for 29 years. Our total assets amount to about US $308 million. With about 3,800 employees, Hongda Group covers a gross area of more than 800,000 meters square and a total floor area of about 460,000 meters square. Hongda Group has an R&D team of about 100 people. Our products have passed CCC, ISO 9001, and CE certifications. Our trademark Tie Li Shi, Iron Giant in English, has been approved as famous trademark of China. Over the past few decades, Hongda Group has won many honors, like provincial-level civilized enterprise, national-level high-tech enterprise, national-level user-trusted star enterprise, national-level contract honoring, and promise-keeping enterprise, and national-level credible and law-abiding enterprise. Our main products are tower cranes, construction elevators, concrete mixers, concrete batchers, concrete mixing plants, asphalt mixing plants, stabilized soil mixing plants, concrete truck mixers, concrete pump trucks, truck-mounted concrete pumps, trailer-mounted concrete pumps, rotary drilling rigs, etc.